Hello and welcome to our first video tutorial. Now in this video we are going to talk about identifying fractal highs and lows. First thing we do in the video is the identification. So we'll go ahead and identify fractal highs and lows on our monthly charts, the weekly charts and daily charts. Yes, you can have them on the 4-hour, the 1-hour and others, but it's always advisable to analyze your charts from the higher time frames, and so we'll do that. Then we'll look at what usually happens after a fractal is formed. Yes, what usually happens after a fractal is formed. When we have two types, we have a fractal high and a fractal low. Now when a fractal high is formed, prices will usually drop. Prices will usually drop, and when a fractal low is formed, prices will usually rally, or the prices will usually go up or rise. And so let's quickly, I want to make this video short and sweet so that it will not take you longer to grasp the concept. So let's quickly go to the charts and start practicing on fractals. Okay, yes, so this is Euro USD monthly chart. Euro USD monthly chart. Now let's go back a bit. Let's go back. Okay, we can start from here. First and foremost, what is a fractal? I've told you this several times that a fractal is they are normally three candles. We have the left one, a right one, and a middle one. There's a left one, a right one, and a middle one. Normally the middle one is either the lowest or the highest. If it's a fractal high, in this case this is a fractal high, so the middle candle is the highest. You see, that is this one. So we have the left candle, the right candle, the middle candle. Now in this case this is a fractal high. Okay, so you can see that the middle one is the highest. Another one is this area. Okay, I can always shade it for you. You see, you have this is the left candle, this is the right candle, and this is the middle candle. Get it? So you can see that the middle one is the highest because this is a fractal high. Now when we come to the fractal low, this one is a very nice one, this one. Okay, but of course there is some here. You can see 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can see this area, that is 1, 2 and 3. This is the left candle, this is the right candle, and this is the middle one, which created the low. But this particular one is not as nice as this one, because in this one you have our left candle, this is the middle and the lowest, and this is our right candle, and you can see our fractal low has formed here. There's another fractal high here, this area where I've placed the black thing there. This candle almost touched the high, but it's still a fractal. Well, the way I see that this one is a bit higher than this. So you see that there's a left candle, there's a right candle, and this middle one, which is the highest. It is the highest. Okay, just about there. Yes, the size of that, but that is that. So we are still identifying. Let's move ahead a bit. You can see another one here. Yes, nice fractal high. So we have a left candle, a right candle, and the highest one, which is the middle one. So we see that the fractal high formed here. Now let's move forward. This is the monthly chart. There's another fractal low here. You see the left candle, right candle, and the low. in that order. There's another fractal high here. There's the monthly chart. Okay, this area. So we have the left candle, this is the right candle, and this is the middle one and the highest. This is the fractal high, and we can also see a fractal low around here. There's a left candle, there's a right candle, and the lowest candle we see here. So that is how the fractals are. There's another one here. Let me see. Yes, that's another fractal. Also not so nice or the best, but at least it is, the left and the right are almost the same, but it's a fractal low. So you see that there's a left candle, a right candle, and a middle one, which is the lowest. It forms and it went up. Now let's go back and start and look at what happens when the fractal is formed. This is the monthly chart. We want to do it quickly. Now you realize that when the fractal high is formed, after that you begin to see lower prices. You can see that, especially in this case, you see that when we had 1, 2, 3 with this in the middle, you see that after they formed, the prices dropped all the way from here down, and that gave us how many pips? Let's look at that. Wow, over 3,600 pips. Anyway, this is the monthly chart, so that is that. When this one also formed, the high here also formed, we saw prices coming low. Now when we saw this low formed, we saw prices going up. So when the higher one is formed, we see prices coming down, and when the lower one is formed, we see prices going up. In the same vein, you see that when this low was formed, we saw prices going up. So in that order. Okay, when this high was formed, 1, 2, 3, we saw prices coming down. When this low was formed, we saw prices going up. In that order. So this high was formed, we saw these prices coming down. So let's go to the weekly and also identify some of them. Nice fractal high, a fractal low here, you can see. So it formed, we have 1, 2, 3. This is the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. So prices formed the fractal low and we rallied. We also had another fractal low here. You can see, yes, that's the fractal, the shaded region, and we went up. The fractal high was formed here, 1, 2, 3. This being the highest candle, we dropped. The fractal low was 1, 2, 3 formed here, and we went up. In that order, you see a nice fractal low here, then we went up like this. We saw a nice fractal high here, 1, 2, 3, and from here we dropped up to this point. So that is how this market is. See another fractal high here, 1, 2, 3, and we dropped all the way down. This is the Euro USD weekly. When we saw a fractal low form there, we went up a bit. This is not so big a move, but we still went up. Okay, so let's go to the weekly chart. I mean the daily chart. You see, let me see. This is the fractal high. This is one candle. This is the middle one and the right one. Then you see, we saw that the prices dropped all the way from here down. This is another fractal low with this red candle being the lowest. You see it? So you have this green candle, the red candle, and another green candle, and you see how price went up. In the same vein, we can see another fractal low here. You have red, green, green. When they formed, we saw prices going up. another fractal low here. When they formed, you saw prices going up in that order. Okay, so this is a quick video. In this video, like I said, we are only identifying the fractals. Okay, we are only identifying the fractals. Once they form, there's another one. That's the highest we had, because you can see that there's a green, a red, which is the highest here, then another red. When they formed, they dropped. See, we also have this fractal low, 1 2 3. When they formed, they went up. So that is that. You can please do this on your chart. Use the whole weekend today to practice these fractals, and see that when they form, you see, when we have this fractal top, for example, 1 2 3, we dropped. You see, on the daily chart, it's not so, we had a big move, but not as the monthly. This one brought in about 340 pips. Then we formed fractal lows too. We formed one here, this candle, red, green, red, and we went up like this. We formed one on the top. See how much we dropped in that order. So guys, let's do the exercise. Go look for fractals on your charts, whether on your phone or on your computer, and identify them. And please, when you identify them, post them in the page for us to discuss. Okay, so thank you. There's another video coming. Okay, thank you, and see you in the new video. Bye bye.